right, so we're going to continue on with our place value review. This question says, is the circled value 10 times or 1/10 the value of the underlined digit? And the number that we're going to use is 5,488,993. So the first thing that I would do is I would label my number with my place value chart. So this is my ones family. This is my tens. This is my hundreds. This is my 1,000s. This is my 10,000s. And this is my 100,000s. And then this is my 1,000,000s. Okay, so now that we have our place value chart labeled, there's kind of two different strategies that I've been telling the kids on how they can do it. So the first thing is that I can do is that when I go back and I look at the question, is the circled value. So the question here is that we're wanting to know about the circled value. So the first thing I would do is then I would go back and I would put a question mark over the circle number. Okay, that way I know I have a question about the circle number. So then that means I'm going from the underlined place to the circled place. And therefore, if that's the case, then that means I'm going to the right on my place value chart. Okay? And so if I'm going to the right, that means I know I'm going 1/10. And there was a song that we came up with that goes to the Cupid Shuffle. That we did with this objective right here. The second way that you could do it is you could also say, okay, so this underlined digit has a value of 80,000, and then the circled digit has a value, because this is in the 1,000s place, has a value of 8,000. So then I talked to myself. I said, okay, is my number getting bigger or is it getting smaller? If I'm going from 80,000 to 8,000, then that means the circled value is 1/10 of the underlined digit. Okay? There was a little song that we came up with as well. I'm going to sing that so you can pardon my singing. It was to the Cupid Shuffle. It was to the right 1/10, to the right 1/10, to the left times 10, to the left times 10. Those are place value positions times 10th or 1/10. So that was again a little strategy to know that if we're moving to the right on our place value chart, it's going to be 1/10. And if we're moving to the left, it's going to be times 10. Thank you.